great race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Go Go Thomas. Go Go Thomas! Choose your engine. Thomas! Edward. Ryan. Victor. Bell. Lynn. Diesel 10. Diesel. Youngbao. Ashima. Rosie. Spencer. Gordon. Rebecca. Are you? Choose your engine, Rebecca. Nia. Toby. Emily. James. This pack contains 2 engines. First, choose your engine, James. Percy. Thomas. Choose a challenger. Thomas versus Gordon. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. You've taken the lead. On the stunt button to perform a trick. Impressive tricks will grant you a short speed boost. Winner! Spectacular chuckle. Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. A new challenger appears. Thomas versus Diesel. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Perfect start. Smashing. Brilliant performance! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. A new challenger appears. The frantic fortress is a real roller coaster of a race. Rocket through underground tunnels and jump off the drawbridge. Spins and drops, jumps and dives are everywhere in this fun-packed course. Comes with 2 new engines to add to your collection. Spencer is just about the shiniest, sleekest engine the island of Sodor has ever seen. Spencer Thomas versus Toby. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Quick! Tap the special boost button. Brilliant! You're in the lead! Winner! What a turn of events! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. That's it! A complete cogwheel. Time to upgrade your engine. Starting boost. With this upgrade, you can start the race with even more speed. A new challenger appears. Thomas versus Ashima. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! You're in the lead! The other racer has taken the lead. Brilliant! Spectacular chuffing! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. A new challenger appears. Thomas versus Flynn. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Quick! Tap the special boost button. Superb! Magnificent race! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. Complete your cogwheel to upgrade your engine. versus James. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Quick! Tap the special boost button. Perfect. Winner! A true champion! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. That's it! A complete cogwheel. Time to upgrade your engine. Acceleration! With this upgrade, your engine will gain more speed with each tap of the button. Your engine is now a silver racer. Silver racers can race at even greater speeds. Keep winning races to become a gold racer.